Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Middleton wireless Bluetooth speaker and you're trying to figure out how to pair it with your device, especially if you're trying to change devices, like if it's paired with something and you're trying to pair it with something new, and you need to switch the pairing and maybe you feel like it's stuck on something. This is how to do it. This will also get you started if you're trying to pair it for the first time. Because basically, once you get it paired for the first time, then when you turn the speaker back on, it will automatically pair with what it has been previously paired with. And so this process will work to pair for the first time, or it will also disconnect it and put it into discovery mode so you can pair it to something new. But basically, all you need to do is, first of all, you're going to go ahead and turn the speaker on. So you're just going to press and hold the control knob until the speaker turns on. Once that happens, we're just going to come over to the Bluetooth button and push and hold this Bluetooth button until we get a pulsing red light just above it. Once that happens, we can go to our phone and select the Middleton speaker from the list of available devices, and it should automatically pair from there. Now, if you're having problems with it not pairing, and you've tried different things, I suggest you try a factory reset on it, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that factory reset. If this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks.